good morning. Good morning. Like you remind me of that squirrel from Ice Age. Okay, it's 6:15. The event just started. It's about 7 o'clock now and finally finished setting up. One of my friends brought out some of these record bowls. So those are also decorating the table. And we're gonna go check out my other neighbor over here, Todd. And my other neighbor over here. And this is my friend Joe's spot request. He is somewhere. Where is he? Hiding. Oh, there he is. There's Joe. Say hi. Prince over here is judging me. On sale. Slay. Finished stamping all of these bags. Usually the smaller bags I'll just use for secret sales. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm like low on stock on earrings. I gotta make some more. Oh no. Okay, so we have about 20 more minutes left. I'm gonna start breaking down. Okay, I did a quick tally and this is as much as we made tonight within 3 hours, which is not bad. That's better than I make in 3 hours at my 9-to-5 job, so yay. Okay, breakdown is done. Everyone's left for the day and we're out. Mouthwash. All right, so I have unloaded. This is my spot. There's literally no one else set up around me. I'm gonna see how windy it is. Today I did bring the right tent. Market, I brought my broken tent, so got rid of that one. This is the right one.
But now you're telling me that yours have opened. Anyway, baby, it's so much.
Setup is complete. It is very windy. Did put the banner in the back. It's 4 o'clock. Market has started. That is the foot traffic. Okay, another mutual friend on Instagram stopped by and they got some earrings and a necklace. So shout out to you. You know who you are. I'm actually very happy I came out tonight because I got to see a few of my favorite people. Okay, not the most organized, but we're done. I'm done. Good night.